Hello and welcome to this video about a checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was devised by Sam Loyd in 1877. You can see here black is down a massive 20 points, but there is only one checkmate in 2 for white here, so see if you can work that one out. If we move the queen down to attack the king, it can be blocked with the knight. Then the queen can take the knight, but then the king still has an escape square. We can move the knight in to get a checkmate, but it's only a checkmate in 3, not a checkmate in 2. If we move the queen down to e4, the knight can move in, and again we can check with the queen, but the king still has the same escape square, so again it's only a checkmate in 3. If we move the queen down to g5 to check the king can move down to escape, and if we can try and move the queen in, but the king can just move down again, and again we don't get the checkmate in 2. Okay, so the solution to this one is actually to move the queen down to b1. The king tries to push the pawn, you can just move in with the queen to checkmate. Black tries to move the knight, then you can just move the bishop to checkmate the king. If black tries to move the knight this way, then you can just move in and checkmate with the knight. If the knight moves down to a2, you can just move the bishop up to checkmate the king. And if black moves the knight down to c2, then you can just checkmate with the bishop. Okay, that's the end of this video. Hope to see you again soon.